Okay, so talking more about physical characteristics, we're going to go into another physical characteristic here, and then you guys are going to use all of the tests that you've learned to try and decide what your mystery rock is, mystery mineral is, excuse me. Okay, so the one we're going to talk about first is called feldspar, and this is feldspar. One of the best smoking gun characteristics for this is color. Even though I have preached against using color this whole time, I wore this particular shirt just so I could show you how nice color can be used. So this is a salmon-colored mineral, and it is called potassium feldspar or microcline. Those can be used interchangeably. Microcline is used as an industrial cleaner. So anytime you have used Ajax to clean your sink or to clean the bathtub, you'll be using microcline. The reason that that physical characteristic is useful is its hardness, is the physical characteristic that makes it useful for cleaning. Because microcline is softer than porcelain, so it won't scratch your tub, but it's harder than calcite. So if we take this mineral calcite that we've already identified and we scratch it with the potassium feldspar, Kristen, we should see that we leave a nice mark, just like that, on the calcite. However, if we take our quartz and try and scratch it, we should see that we do not. If there is a little bit of streaking there, it's from the potassium feldspar coming off onto the quartz. So now we've gone through lots of physical properties that we can use to test our minerals. We can use hardness, we can use color to a very limited extent, we can use hydrochloric acid, we can use streaking, we can use taste. Taste should be the last thing that you use. So what I would like for you guys to do is to find this mineral that's in your kit. This is a smoothed mineral. Nevertheless, it is a mineral, and I've tried to pick something that is not very recognizable from just viewing it. So what I'd like you to do is take your physical characteristics now and test to see what mineral this is. So what would you guys do as your first test?
Test it on the glass.
Test it on the glass. Let's say that it does not leave a streak on the glass. What's the next thing you would do?
Acid.
Acid. Let's say that it does not react to acid. What would be the next thing you do?
The magnet?
Maybe a magnet to test for magnetite. Let's say it does not react to a magnet.
Scratch it with your nail.
Scratch it with your nail to see if maybe it's gypsum. That's a great idea. Anything else? These are all great ideas, and if you sort of follow through this procedure, then you'll come across a test that reveals that mineral smoking gun. So give it a shot and let's see what you come up with.